nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
너를 찾아가 아무리 막아도 결국 너에게.
I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, obviously. That's why I look like this. And I'm going to be using one of the Wet n Wild palettes, as well as one of the Wet n Wild Liquid Cat Suit. What is it? Liquid Cat Suit? One of the lipsticks, the matte one, not the Ultra Shine Gloss, whatever that one's called. It was requested that I use the House of Thorns palette, which is this one, and the Kiss of Death lipstick from the Rebel Rose collection. Shout out to Kristen for the suggestion. So, enough talking. Let's get into this look. Eyes and everything. I'm going to be using one of the brushes that it came with too. Set my eyes and everything. I'm not using this palette, I'm just using the mirror. And so we're going to start with the red burgundy maroon, this shade right here. Using one of my mermaid tail brushes, and I have paper towels here to dust the brushes off. I'm just dusting off because I use this brush to set my concealer, so I'm getting that off there first, even though it's like a brighter, a nude color, so it'd be hard to tell. So again, I'm going to be starting with this. I'm going to do this, the red shade, the black shade, and the gold shade on the lid. The green's going to go on the lower lash line. Thinking, when is she gonna use the brush? I saved it for the black shade because I don't know, I just saved it for the black shade. So we're gonna do the black right now. Oh, that picked up a lot of it. This is a very pigmented black. And just put it in the corner. They have the weirdest commercials these days. I don't know how I feel about this poop game. A commercial just came out for a game where the kids have to avoid stepping on poo. Like that's what we're doing now. Like, I don't even like to pretend. I don't want to step in poo. I don't want to pretend I'm stepping in. Oh, all right. They're running out of ideas. They are running. I'm convinced they're running out of ideas. I swear. This brush is actually pretty cool. I'm gonna take this brush that I used for the red to blend them together. I swear these kids get out of school a lot earlier than we did when I was in elementary school. Kids are coming home now and it's like 2:42. When I was in elementary school, we were in school till 3 o'clock. Must be nice. Must be real nice. I'm not jealous or anything. Need a little more red. Okay. And this side too. And then I'm gonna blend out the edges with where's my Anastasia brush? This is what I always use to blend out my outer whatever. It's the same brush every time. I hope this doesn't disappear. And it looks like it did a little bit. So either this brush is really good at blending, or the black just sucks. I'm not sure which one it is. I'm gonna add a little more to the very outer. I mean, I'm gonna clean that up anyway, but because I felt like that disappeared. And these mirrors on the newer ColourPop palettes because of course the old ones don't have mirrors, are pretty good. Like, I need to get my hands on the Riviera palette. And I know it looks crazy, but I always clean this up off camera. So if you're watching, you're like, oh, that looks messy. Where there's nothing, and I'm gonna take my Morphe brush. What number is this? M1. The number's gone. M156. It's double-ended. I'm gonna use the fluffier end, of course. Making sure there's nothing on there. I mean, I have to clean my brushes today anyway, but this is a really pretty gold shade. We're gonna just take it. I really hate when I get a new palette and I have to ruin the pattern. This rose was pretty, and now it's gone. So it's kind of sad. I'm not seeing much. Oh, it's very, like, its swatch is really pretty, but that's not showing up on my eye. Maybe I have to do it a couple times, which I didn't sign up for this. Okay, there it goes. Then I'm gonna have to add more red because the red definitely got lost in the sauce. I'm gonna take that same dome-shaped brush, go back into the whatever, I don't know how I would describe this red shade, maroon, burgundy, something. And then take the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush one more time, fix all of that, blend it all together. I'm going to be cleaning up all the messiness, so do not worry. This is a very strange smoky eye. I don't know how I feel about this gold shade, so I think I'm just gonna go into this Just My Luck and add a little bit of Olive View because this gold shade was hot. Which is sad because it's so pretty, but it's not hot. I'm gonna just put a little bit of Olive View in the front, so that you can tell there's some gold there. Okay. I mean, this is supposed to be just a Wet n Wild look, but that didn't work out too well, now did it? And I'm sad because it's beautiful gold, but it's not very good for a like inner corner shade. It's more of an outer corner shimmer shade, which is strange. So I'm gonna go off camera and do foundation, concealer, lower lash liner, and I think that's it. And then I'm coming back and do the lip. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna do lashes off camera too. So I'm gonna do everything face-wise off camera and then come back and do the lips. There we go. And I'm going to do. Also bought the blush in here with the brush. Take this out now. Whoa, it fell over. Big brush, big brush. I'm gonna do the lower lash line now. I'm going to use the green shade from this palette. I know it's a shimmer, but I like to put shimmers on my lower lash line. This one right here. I need one of my brushes that I use only for my lower lash line. And it's these types of brushes. I like to use those for my lower lash line because of the shape and the size. I got them from AliExpress. I really did. I'm upset that it's raining. Well, it was. Now it's just gloomy and it looks all depressing outside. That's a really pretty shade. I don't think I'm gonna have an inner corner highlight today. if I do, I'm going to use there's one of the palettes, I can't remember which one it is, but I think it's from Secret Rose Garden, Secret Garden, something like that. There's like a champagne gold, and I would use that in my inner corner because I don't think the gold in this palette's gonna work. I actually like this. I like this a lot. Looks nice. And then I'm gonna try this blush on camera. If you did not watch the video where I unboxed this entire collection, it looks black, but then you touch it, you give it a second, of course, and then it's not black. So, I'm gonna take this brush and this blush. I think I got some in there. Well, I mean, I dipped it in there. See how this works? Okay, one more time. Oh, I can't see it. Okay, that's kind of cute. Alright, alright. I got so much makeup in my hair at this point, I don't even care. But that's kind of cute. I didn't think it would be, but it is. Oh, that's cute. I like it. Not gonna lie, I like it. I didn't think I would, but I do. Now it's on to the lips. The Liquid Catsuit in the shade Kiss of Death, which is this. I'm going to line my lips, however, with the ColourPop and Bretman Rock Lippy Pencil in the shade Dukes, because I feel like these two would go really good together. And I've become obsessed with lining my lips before I put lipstick on, so there's that. Look, I like it actually. I was worried about the gold at first, but I think all of it together looks good. That gold by itself in that palette, which was the House of Thorns, I believe, I feel like that one would be better as like if I put like the black here and then put that on top of the black. That's like, it's like one of those gold shades. It's not a very bright, like the bright shades towards my inner corner. So it's not one of those shades that, unless you like that, I mean, if you like the darker shade, like the darker shimmer shades here, then go for it. But I feel like, for me, that would be best put here to that way, or on the lower lash line. However, this green is everything, and in the light, I get really excited because I turned my room light on. Again, I'm not in my room, I'm in my computer room. You can see the shimmer, so I hope when I take pictures, because I do have a Galaxy S9 which picks up everything. I do hope that it shows up because that is so cool. It looks really pretty. Maybe it shows up on camera, I'm not sure, but it is really pretty. And Kristen said that these lipsticks were good. I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. I need more in my life. I need more, basically. I did add a trophy wife to my Cupid's bow. Even the blush is cute, although it's kind of it's a little greasy, but not like too, not in a bad way greasy, but like, even though I have the mattifying setting spray, and here it doesn't look matte at all. Like matte, no matte, and that's because of the blush, and that's fine. That's fine. I mean, it's okay, but I like the blush. It worked. It was cool. I think that's it for this video. The other two palettes, if you want to see me use them, let me know. If you want to see me use any of the other 3 lipsticks, let me know. That's it. That's all. I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow. Maybe. But if not, Friday, definitely. Bye.